with all of you. So I want your name. You are in which standard? Your parents' name and contact number. Name and contact number. Preferably their WhatsApp number, because we will be sending the recording of this session to them, and we will be sharing the feedback of today's session with them. Okay? My team will connect with them. So please write these details in one single message in the comment window. So please keep typing. Your name, your standard, your parents' name and contact number. Okay, good. So I have Pratyush's details. Tapasya, Lohita. Okay. So meanwhile you type, I will start the session. So trigonometry, right? So the topic which we will be undertaking today is trigonometry. So any one of you is having any idea about trigonometry? Pratyush, do you have any idea about trigonometry, dear?
Sir, I just know it's all about right angle triangle.
Okay. And Tapasya, what about you?
I have never heard of it.
Never heard of it. Lohita, any idea about it?
No, sir, I don't know.
What happened to your camera? It's not switching on.
Yes, sir, I'm actually typing. One
Okay.
second.
Okay. Do it. Do it. Tapasya, your details, beta. Got it. Got it. Okay. So trigonometry is a branch of mathematics where we learn about the relations between the sides and the angles of a triangle. Is a branch of mathematics where we learn about the relations between the sides and the angles of a triangle. Okay. So this is what is trigonometry is. All of you know the triangle, right? Great. So now before I move ahead in this, I'm introducing you to some Greek alphabets. So what are these Greek alphabets? So we will be using these Greek alphabets. Greek alphabets will be used as symbols to represent the angles of a triangle. So we will be using these Greek alphabets. Please don't write. I'll give you enough time to write. So don't worry about it. You pay 100% focus to this thing, right? And you will enjoy the session. So don't worry. I'll give you enough time to make notes. So don't worry. So will be used as symbols to represent the angles of a triangle. So first of it is alpha. Second is beta. Third is gamma. Fourth is delta. Fifth is theta. And sixth is phi.
Sir, you're on mute.
Sorry. So how do these symbols look like? So they look like this. Alpha looks like this. This is beta. This is gamma. This is delta. This is theta. This is phi. Okay. So these are few of the Greek alphabets which we will be using as symbols to represent the angles of a triangle. Now, going back to the triangle, this is the triangle which we have, right? All of you said about right angle triangle. So we will start with right angle triangles, but it extends to all the angles of a triangle, all sorts of triangles. But as of now, we will focus on right angle one. Okay. So this is A, this is B, this is C. Now please pay attention. This angle is 90 degrees. Okay, Tapasya, Pratyush, and Lohita. If I say this angle is theta, then the sides of this triangle has unique name. Okay? So this theta, the angle which is opposite to theta, which side is opposite to theta? BC side is opposite to theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This side BC is opposite to theta, right? This side is called as perpendicular for this triangle. If we are using angle theta, for every angle it will change, except for the right angle. For every angle, if I'm using this angle, this is perpendicular, right? If I'll use this angle, let's say this angle is phi. For angle phi, the perpendicular is this side AB. Understood? I
Yes.
hope you guys understood this, right?
Yes, sir.
So I'm focusing only on this angle theta as of now. So if this side is perpendicular, then the side which is at 90 degrees with perpendicular is base. So side AB is base of this triangle. When is this side base? When we are using this angle theta. Clear? Lohita, Pratyush, and Tapasya.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Now, this side is what all of you are aware of, and this is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse, capital H for this triangle. Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Sure.
No, sir.
Now, can you guys tell me if this side is say phi, which side is base for phi?
Sir, AB.
Tapasya?
AB.
Base for phi. Base for phi. Base.
AB, sir.
AB is the base for phi angle. Lohita?
Yes, sir.
Which side is base for angle phi?
AB.
No, no, no.
Sir,
Then you,
BC.
हाँ,
But it's BC.
हाँ, BC. See, phi के opposite, this is the side, right? AB. So this is perpendicular for phi. Lohita, understood or not? The side which is opposite to the angle is perpendicular. So this side AB is perpendicular. Clear? So
Yes.
for base of phi, BC is the side as base. Clear hai beta ye? Now don't get confused, huh? Shabash. So now we have, let me introduce you to the trigonometric functions. So you all are aware about functions, yes or no? You all are aware about functions, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Anybody who can give me an example of function or can explain what is function?
Sir, the use, where we use it.
Okay. The use. Okay. Use of what?
Sir, trigonometry.
Oh, trigonometry bus. Function. In English, what do you understand by function? Function. Literal meaning of function.
The use of how something is used.
Okay. Lohita, what is your idea about functions?
Sir,
See, beta, don't be scared or don't hitch, right? Whatever is coming to your mind and the very out. See, all of you are aware about some. You have some idea about it. Okay, so communicate. Tell me. Okay, there is no harm in discussing. Even if you get it wrong, there is no harm in it. Okay. So let's discuss. So don't worry about it, whether it will be wrong or right. Whatever you have idea, whatever idea you have, just tell me.
what it does, like what it.
Very good. What it does, so use, function, okay. The
Sir,
verb,
the task, sir.
the task. For example, I'll explain it like this. It's a specific operation which a particular object performs. That is what his function is. For example, this is the remote of my television, right? So what does it do? If I press the button of the volume button of this television, volume up and volume down, it increases or decreases the volume of the television. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that button has a specific function, right? But it operates on what? In my input, the input which I give. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sorry for that. Actually, I have a bad throat, so what I should. Anyways, so there are 6 basic trigonometric functions. So these functions are sine. So pronunciation is sine, okay? Sine. Then comes, in short, it is written as sin. So sine is written as sin. Then second function is cosine. In short, it is written as cos. Then third function is tangent. In short, it is written as tan. Fourth function is cosec. In short, it is written as, sorry, this is cosecant. In short, it is written as cosec. Fifth is secant. In short, it is written as sec. And sixth is cotangent. In short, it is written as cot. So sine, cos, tan, cosec, secant, cot. Right? Yes, Tapasya.
Just a question, sir. I'm not understanding how this is related to physics.
Physics starts with mathematics. If you don't know maths, your journey for physics will be very, very difficult. Right? So to learn physics, we have to learn basic maths first. Basic maths as in trigonometry, calculus, and vectors. Right? Apart from your regular algebra and arithmetic, which you will be learning at your school. This topic, trigonometry, doesn't comes in physics or in mathematics till you are in your 10th standard. Understood? So you should have a fair idea about trigonometry before you start with physics. Clear? Because I'm not going to teach you your 8th grade or 9th grade or 7th grade physics, because it doesn't require maths. It simply requires definitions. You memorize it and you just produce it when it is asked. Okay. So that is why we do basic maths for first 45 days of the program. Clear? So once you are aware about it, ठीक है तपस्या?
Yes, sir.
है ना? That's why we are doing physics. We are doing maths first. Take it as your first session of the foundation program, because I have to teach this. So now these trigonometric functions are sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Now, as I said, so coming back to the point. So as I said, every function operates in the input given to it. For example, the button of this remote was operating on the input given by me. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, the trigonometric functions will perform operations on what? It will operate on the angles of triangle. So all these trigonometric functions, there are many trigonometric functions, but we will be discussing these 6 basic functions. So all these trigonometric functions operates on the angles of a triangle. So for example, and of course you will get some output out of it, right? So for example, let's take this first function, which is sine theta. Value of sine theta. So it is operating on this angle theta. So value of sine theta will be ratio of the perpendicular and hypotenuse. This is the value of sine theta. So that is how the angle and the sides of triangles are related. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then comes cos theta. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Lohita, you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Good. Third is tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but sine theta over cos theta. And this is P upon H upon B upon H. This H cancelled out. This is P over B. So perpendicular upon base. Then comes the fourth part of it, which is cosec theta. Cosec theta is nothing but 1 upon sine theta. And this is H upon P. Then fifth one is sec theta. This is 1 upon cos theta. And this is H upon B. And the last one is cot theta. It is 1 upon tan theta. And this is base upon perpendicular. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So I hope you got the idea of trigonometric functions operating on angle theta, on the angle of a triangle, and how that output is the ratio of the sides of the triangle. All of you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Please write it. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Please note it. Please make notes. Yeah, noted all of you? Done with this?
1 minute, sir.
Please do it. Take your time, no worries. If you have, meanwhile, if you have any doubts or if you want to ask any queries, you may go and you may ask me. Once you have noted, please type done in the comment window. Okay, I'll change. You can change on your own also. Okay, Tapasya done. Pratyush, Lohita made notes. Once you are done making notes, please type done. Good. So you guys have absolute clarity about this particular slide, yes or no? There is
Yes.
no doubt, nothing, no queries to ask. Okay. So now once you are aware about trigonometric functions, let's discuss about quadrants of a circle, right? So you are aware about a circle, right? And this is XY axis, right? This is X axis, this is Y axis. And these are the quadrants of circle. Yes or no, all of you? You are aware about the quadrants or not? Yes or no? No,
Yes.
you're not aware about it. So let's say all of you have seen that D or the protractor by which you draw the angles.
Yes,
You're
sir.
aware about the first half of that angle. This is the half, one half of this circle. The other half lies below, right? So that is how the circle gets completed. Now this angle is 0 degrees. This is 90 degrees. This is 180 degrees in the protractor. Yes or no? This is 270 degrees. And this is 360 degrees then. So every 90 degrees, there is one. We call these angles as reference angles. We call these angles as reference angles. This is also a reference angle. This is also a reference angle. This is a reference angle. This too is a reference angle. Yes, Tapasya, you want to ask?
What's a reference angle, sir? I didn't get it.
You know what is reference? We take reference as what? From there we start something, right?
Yes.
So here we start measuring the quadrants. So the reference angle, they mark the start and end of a quadrant. So when we divide a circle into 4 equal parts, so every part will be of 90 degrees. You can see here 0 to 90 is one section, 90 to 180 is one section, right? 180 to 270 is another section, and 270 to 360 is another section. So when we divide a circle into 4 equal parts, each part is called a quadrant. Quadra means 4. Clear? Tapasya, Pratyush, and Lohita.
Yes, sir.
Good. So from 0 to 90 degrees, this is the first quadrant. From 90 to 180, this is the second quadrant. From 180 to 270, this is the third quadrant. And from 270 to 360, this is the fourth quadrant. I hope you are clear in this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Every
sir.
quadrant has a start and ending reference angles. So for the first quadrant, 0 is the start, 90 is the end. For second quadrant, 90 is the start, 180 is end. For third, 180 is the start, 270 is end. And for fourth, 270 is the start and 360 is end. Right? Clear? Now,
Yes.
90 into 1 is an odd multiple. 90 into 2 is an even multiple of 90 degrees. 90 into 3 is an odd multiple of 90 degrees. These reference angles are multiples of 90 degrees. Can you guys see this? Every reference angle is a multiple of 90 degrees. It can be odd, it can be even multiple. Clear?
Yes.
Yes or no? Great. So now once you are aware about reference angles, now it's time to find standard angles. So now every quadrant is divided into 6 equal segments. Each quadrant is divided into 6 equal segments. Clear? So how many segments? 6. So when 90 degrees is divided equally into 6 equal parts, 15 degrees will be the measure of each segment. Yes or no? 90 upon 6 will be what? 15? Lohita, Pratyush and Tapasya. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Lohita, understood? And Tapasya.
Yes, sir.
So here there are standard angles for every quadrant. So for the first quadrant, the standard angles are, so this is 30 degrees. This angle is 40 degrees, 45 degrees. And the last one is 60 degrees. So the standard angles are 30,
30, 45, 60.
45 and 60 degrees. So these are the standard angles for first quadrants. We call these angles as a unique special name. They are standard angles. Why they are standard angles? Because most of the times in our trigonometry, we will be dealing with these angles only. Most of the times. Okay? That's why we have named it as standard angles. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no? So you have to memorize it. 30, 45 and 60. This is easy to memorize. 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360. These are easy to memorize. Yes or no?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
you are aware about standard angles. You are aware about reference angles. Now comes every quadrant will have their own standard angles. Yes or no? There should be standard angles in each quadrant, right? So there is a rule to find the standard angles of second, third, and fourth quadrants. First rule is add the standard angles of the first quadrant to the smaller reference angle of the respective quadrant. Right? So tell me, Chalo, Tapasya, tell me for second quadrant, which one of these two angles, it has two reference angles, right? Which are the reference angles for second quadrant, Tapasya?
Sir, can you repeat?
Which are the reference angles for second quadrant?
I don't know, sir.
अरे अभी तो सिखाया reference angle. You understood reference angles or not?
Kind of, not that.
Why did you ask? You just close your door because there is a lot of background noise coming from your
1
place.
minute, sir.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
now you will be able to focus better. How you're focusing on that noise, I don't understand. So Tapasya, what is reference angle? You understood reference angle or not? You understood quadrant? What is a quadrant, Tapasya?
A circle in 4 halves.
Circle in 4 halves. Every half of circle is called a quadrant, right? 1/4 of a circle is a quadrant. Okay.
Yes.
So every quadrant you can see there is a start and ending angle from which it starts and ends. Yes or no?
Yes.
So for the first quadrant, what is the start of the first quadrant?
The start of the first quadrant is 0 degrees.
0 degrees. Ending of first quadrant is
90
90.
degrees.
So for second angle, which are the reference angles now?
90 and 180.
So which one of them is a smaller angle?
90.
90. Simple. यही तो पूछा था. ठीक है, समझ आया बेटा नहीं आया?
Yes.
Very good. Pratyush and Lohita, both of you understood beta?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now, as I said, the first exercise, the first rule is to the smaller. So I'm helping you find the standard angle for second quadrant. So to add to 90 to this 90-degree, what you have to do is add the standard angles of first quadrant. Can you guys see? It's 90 plus 30. It's 90 plus 45. 90 plus 60. So we are finding the standard angles of second quadrant by doing this. This is 120 degrees. This is 135 degrees. And this is 150 degrees. Yes or no? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Can you guys check 120, 135 and 150? All these angles, they are lying between 90 and 180. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Pratyush and Lohita. All these angles, 120, 135, 150, they are lying in between 90 and 180, right?
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes.
good. So this is how we find the standard angle using this first rule. There is a second rule also. If you don't want to find using this rule, there is another rule. That rule is subtract the standard angles of the first quadrant from the larger reference angle of the respective quadrant. Subtract the standard angle of the first quadrant from the larger reference angle of the respective quadrant. So let's take the second quadrant only. Lohita, which is the larger reference angle for second quadrant?
Sir, it's 180 degrees.
Very good. So from 180 degrees, can you help me in finding it?
From
Applying
180
the second
degrees,
rule? Yeah, very good.
the standard
From
angles.
एक
We
second
have
बेटा.
to do 180 degrees minus 30, 180 degrees minus 45, 180 degrees minus 60.
Very good. Shabash. All of you understood? Pratyush and Tapasya and Lohita.
Yes,
Understood?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Very good. So if you guys have understood this, what I want you to do is now find the standard angles for third and fourth quadrant. First, you do this exercise. Write your answers in the chat window while I check those answers of yours. Then meanwhile, you make the notes. Understood? First, you complete the exercise. Find the standard angles of third and fourth quadrants using any of these methods, right? First or second rule. So find the standard angles of the third and fourth quadrant. Find the standard angles of the third and fourth quadrant. And please type your answers in the chat window. Okay? Please do it. Please send your responses. Very good, Tapasya. You nailed it. Shabash.
Thank you,
समझ
sir.
आया ना बेटा अभी?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Pratyush, your answer बेटा. Lohita, your answer. Now you start making notes, Tapasya. Okay? Make this notes. Once you are able to do this exercise, that means whatever is there in the slide, you are now aware of it, right? You have understood it. Very good, Pratyush. Shabash, beta. Please make
Thank
notes
you.
quickly. Yes, Lohita. I am waiting for your response.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Very good, Lohita. Shabash, beta. So all three of you understood whatever is written here. So have you guys made notes of it? Made the notes, Lohita?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
Pratyush and
Yes.
Tapasya. Shabash. So once you are aware about, let's see some more attributes of the quadrants of a circle, right? So let's see some more properties of it. So just pay attention, huh? So this is 0 degrees. This is 90. This is 180. This is 270. And this is 330. Okay. Now, I'm writing it all sine, tan, and cos. How do you remember it? ASTC or all sine, tan, cos. Rhyme it, you will remember it, right? So repeat it 5-10 times, you will remember it. You'll memorize it. All sine, tan, cos. Right? All sine, tan, cos. So what does it mean? So I'm writing the meaning now. So trigonometric values of all the angles in the first quadrant, sorry, of all the angles are positive in the first quadrant. Trigonometric values of all the angles are positive in the first quadrant, right? Now, for the second quadrant, so by trigonometric values, I mean sine, cos, and tan. I'll write it here. Trigonometric values are sine, cos, and tan of the angles. So we are dealing only with sine, cos, and tan. We are not dealing with cosec, sec, and cot theta, right? Because they are inverse of all these three only. So we are only bothered about, or we will be only focusing on sine, cos, and tan. Clear? Of the angles in these quadrants. I hope it is clear to all of you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? So for the second quadrant, for the second quadrant, only sine of all the angles is positive in the second quadrant. ठीक है? Cos and tan are negative in it. मतलब, for example, 120 degrees. This angle lies in second quadrant. Yes or no? Lohita, Pratyush and Tapasya. 120 degrees lies in second quadrant, right?
Yes, sir.
So sine of 120 degrees. Sine of 120 degrees will be positive. Clear?
Yes, sir.
But cos of 120 degree will be negative because cos is negative in the second quadrant. Tan of 120 degrees will be negative because tan is negative in the second quadrant. Tapasya, understood? ठीक है? Now, how? Let's do one more example. For example, if I say 150 degrees, what's about sine of 150? Will it be positive or negative, Pratyush?
Sir, positive.
Very good. Sine 150 will be positive. Tapasya and Lohita. Understood, beta?
Sir, how?
Sorry?
Sir, how is it positive?
It's an information which I am passing on. This is what you need to memorize, right? Sine is positive, tan is positive in the third quadrant, cos is positive in the fourth quadrant. You will come to know later about it because all the information cannot be passed right now.
Sir,
So
tan is negative, right?
tan in the third quadrant is positive.
Okay, sir.
Lohita, you understood? It's an information which I am passing on. So you have to memorize it. So
Okay,
sine
sir.
is positive in the second quadrant, but cos and tan are negative in it. Clear? Tapasya and Lohita. Understood or not? Now, sorry? Lohita, आया बेटा समझ में कि नहीं?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Good. So now comes the third point or the third quadrant. Only tan of all the angles is positive in the third quadrant. Right? Here, sine and cos are negative in it. Right? And the last one is fourth rule. Only cos of all the angles is positive in the fourth quadrant. Okay? So that means sine and tan are negative in it. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tapasya and Lohita. Understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let me check if you have really understood or not. So this is for Lohita. Lohita, we have a 225 degrees here. So sine of 225, will it be negative or positive, Lohita?
Negative, sir.
Very good. And what about cos?
Cos is also negative.
Very good. And what about tan?
Tan is positive.
Very good. Simple. Eh? Let's let Tapasya answer this one. So Tapasya, we have 300 degrees. It lies in the fourth quadrant, right? So my dear Tapasya, tell me sine 300 degree will be positive or negative?
Sir, can you repeat? I can't hear you.
Sine 300 degrees is positive or negative?
It's positive, sir.
Sine is positive. In the fourth quadrant, check the rule.
Oh.
Only cos of all the angles is positive.
Oh.
You understood or not? What?
Yeah, okay. I got
You
it.
understood the second rule, third rule? You understood it or not?
Yes, sir.
Lohita answered the 225 degrees. Pratyush answered the 150 degrees. You understood those parts or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So let's understand this one. This is for you. 300 degrees. It lies in the fourth quadrant or not?
Yes, sir.
In fourth quadrant, which is positive? Which trigonometric value is positive? Cos, sin, tan. Which one of these is positive?
Cos.
Cos. So sine will be?
Negative.
Tan will be?
Negative.
So sine 300 is negative or positive?
Negative.
Tan 300 is positive or negative?
Negative.
Cos 300 will be positive or negative?
Positive.
That's it. समझ आ गया? Great. So now there is a small exercise which I want you all of you to answer, and then you can move ahead with making notes. So I am giving you 6 functions here, 6 values. Sine 45 degree. Second is cos 160 degrees. Third is tan 175 degrees. Sine 240 degrees. Tan 240 degrees, and the last one is cos 330 degrees. Just mention the sign here, positive or negative, in front of it, and write it in the same sequence in the chat window. So while you answer, while I check your answer, you can make notes.
Sir, for which quadrant should we write these?
This is for all the quadrants.
Okay, sir.
See,
So
the angles lies in different quadrants, no?
So
The angles lies in different quadrants, no?
so
हाँ बोलो.
so basically, if the angle is below 90 degrees and above 0 degrees, then it's for the first quadrant.
Obviously, yes.
Yeah.
प्रत्युष क्वेश्चन समझ आया बेटा?
हाँ सर सिर्फ साइन का निकालना है ना, सिर्फ साइन
हाँ,
पॉजिटिव
पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव लिखना है बस. जैसे
ठीक है।
साइन 45 डिग्री मैं एक करके देता हूं. देखो साइन 45 डिग्री पॉजिटिव है कि नेगेटिव? ये 45 डिग्री लाइज इन विच क्वाड्रेंट? फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट.
फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट
45 degree lies in first quadrant. So sign is positive or negative? Positive. So just write
Positive.
positive. That's it.
ओके सर.
Only this is what you have to answer.
ओके सर.
And all of you have done one question each in every quadrant, right? So you can do it easily. Do it. Very good, Lohita. Nailed it. Shabash, beta. Very good, Pratyush. Your answer is perfectly fine. Very good. Tapasya, I'm waiting for your answer.
I'm almost done.
Okay, no worries. Take your time. No worries. Rest of you, please make notes.
Sir, I'm done. I gave the answers.
Shabash, beta. Very good. So, all of you have made notes. If you have noted it, if you have not, please make notes. ठीक है, करो, लिखो इसको जल्दी से.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Clear, shabash. So now once we are aware about these traits of, now can you tell me this ratio will be greater than 1 or less than 1? It is the ratio of between perpendicular and hypotenuse. Will it be greater than 1 or less than 1?
Sir, less than 1.
Obviously less than 1 because hypotenuse is always greater than perpendicular. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, base upon hypotenuse, this will be greater than 1 or less than 1?
Less than 1.
Less than 1, right? Lohita, Tapasya,
Yes, sir.
right? But you can't say this about tan theta, right? It can be perpendicular can be greater than B or base can be greater than perpendicular, right? So this ये इसके लिए it cannot be less than 1, it can be less than 1, it can be greater than 1 also. So always remember this. Always remember this. Since you now know the positive and negative of it. Value of sine theta. Always remember, value of sine theta will always be lying between -1 and +1. And same is for cos theta also. Value of cos theta always lies in between -1 and +1. Please remember it, memorize it. This is how you understand it, right? Because it's the ratio of sides. We have seen it. So please write it.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, so we have now, since we are aware about the standard angles, the reference angles, now it's time for standard triangles. Standard triangles. Now, these triangles will give us the trigonometric value of the standard angles of first quadrant. Which are the standard angles of first quadrant? 30,
Sir,
45,
30, 45, and 60.
and 60 degrees. So these standard triangles will give us the values of the trigonometric values of those angles, right? So this is one triangle in which the sides are equal. It's an isosceles right angled triangle. It's an isosceles right angled triangle. So this is A, this is B, this is C. This angle is 45 degrees. And of course, this will also be 45 degrees because this is 90 degrees, right? And the second triangle is, please pay attention. The second triangle is this one. So this is A, this is B, this is C. This is 30 degrees. This is 60. And this is 90 degrees. Okay. This is the easiest way to remember the values. Okay. Because or else you will struggle with that. So now the sides are in a specific ratio. This is the ratios are, this is 1, 1, because it's an isosceles triangle. So this is 1 and 1. All of you know Pythagoras theorem? Tapasya, you know Pythagoras theorem? No? You know a right angle triangle, Tapasya? Okay. So since you know a right angle triangle, so it will be easier for you to remember this Pythagoras theorem. So suppose these sides are A, B, and C. Okay, Tapasya? The sum of the squares of A and B is equal to C square. Okay? The sum of the squares of A and B is equal to square of C. Okay, Tapasya, this is Pythagoras theorem. How to prove it? अभी वैसे तो जरूरत नहीं है, but if you make a square, if you complete the square here on these sides and you measure the area, when you sum these two area, it will be equal to the area of this side. This is square. So that is how you prove it, but you need not have to do it as of now because I'll not deviate from here. I'll not, since I'm teaching you maths, though I'm teaching you mathematics, but that is again digressing from this. See, so, but you understood what is this? Tapasya?
Yes, sir.
So in place of A, B, and C, if you want to write perpendicular, hypotenuse, and base, this is base, this is perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. So P square plus B square is equal to H square. Clear? Please remember it. You know how to find root, Tapasya?
Yes, sir.
Square root?
Yes.
So root of 4 is how much? 2.
Yes.
Hai na? Okay.
Yes.
So here this hypotenuse will be what? It will be root of 2 because it is root of 1 square plus 1 square. Clear hai Tapasya ye?
Why 1 square?
Because this is perpendicular, this is base.
Okay.
Using Pythagoras.
Yes.
Okay. Now here, opposite to 30 degrees, please pay attention. This is what you need to memorize. Your life will be very easier in trigonometry then. Opposite to 30 degrees, write 1. This side has measure as 1. The largest side is 2. Hypotenuse is 2. So move anti-clockwise. Right? 1, 2. And this will be what? This will be
3.
2 square minus 1 square
1.
का root. तो root 3.
हाँ?
हाँ आएगा ना?
What?
देखो इधर देखो. ये perpendicular है. This is perpendicular.
Yes.
This is base and this is hypotenuse, right?
Yes.
So perpendicular is 1. 1 square plus base I don't know, b square. This is equal to 2 square. Yes or no, Tapasya?
Yes, sir.
So b square is how much? 4 minus 1. Yes or no?
Why 4?
2 square is what?
Okay.
इस पे डांट पड़ेगी है ना? 2 square तो पता है तुमको. जो नहीं पता है उसको समझा रहा हूँ. b is root 3, right?
Yeah.
Understood? All of you? Rohita, Pratyush?
Yes, sir.
So we have to understood now, all of you, how
Yes.
I got root 3 here.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good. So now you should remember it, memorize it. It will make your life very easy in trigonometry. Because now if I ask, Now, if I ask you, what is sine 45 degrees? Pratyush, take this angle as reference angle, 45 degrees. What will be value of it?
Sir,
What will be value of sine 45 degrees? Perpendicular upon sine theta is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Yes.
hypotenuse.
So here, what is perpendicular for this sine 45? For this 45 degrees?
Sir, 1
1. Very good. And what will be hypotenuse for it?
√2.
Shabash. Completed. Understood, both of you, Tapasya and Lohita? Cos 45 degrees is? Pratyush.
Yes, sir.
Base will be
Sir, 1 by √2.
1 by √2 only. So for sine 45 and cos 45, they have the same value. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So let's now Lohita try it. Lohita, we are using sine 30 degrees now. So which angle will be perpendicular for 30 degrees, Lohita? Which side will be perpendicular for 30 degrees?
Sir, BC.
Very good. So what is the value of BC side?
Sir,
What is value of BC? It's written,
1.
na?
1.
1. So 1 upon hypotenuse is 2.
2.
So sine 30 is 1 by 2. Tapasya, you understood?
Yes, sir.
What about cos 30, Lohita?
Cos 30.
Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, right?
Base. So,
Tell me.
base
For 30 degrees, which side will be base?
√3 by 2.
Yes. Very good. Shabash. See, you understood it. Got it, na? It's easy or not?
It's easy, sir.
It will take a while, but again, matlab, you are learning something which is beyond, which you have even not heard of it, right? So you may take few seconds, but yes, you will understand it. Chalo, to Tapasya ji आइए. Sine 60 degrees. Which side will be perpendicular for 60 degrees, Tapasya?
AB, sir.
AB. Very good. So what is the value of it?
3 square.
No, not 3 square, √3.
3 √3.
Divided by hypotenuse is what?
2.
Shabash. What about cos 60 then? Which side will be base for cos 60 degrees?
For cos 60 degrees, the base would be
The side which is perpendicular to perpendicular, which is at 90 degrees to perpendicular.
so BC.
Obviously BC.
Okay, so that
If this
be
is, bolo bolo.
1 is to no 1 is to 2.
Yes, done. है ना? सोच थोड़ा सा सोचने में टाइम लग रहा है because it's a new thing to you, but ये कुछ भी नहीं है ना? If you'll do it 5 times, you'll be pro in it. The way you have done these things, the way you have answered these values, so you understood it. Simple है. So just go through this once. If you have any doubts, please ask. And if you don't have any doubts, please make a quick note of it. You have to remember these two triangles. एक और है, पहले ये सीखो फिर वो बताता हूँ लास्ट वाला. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट लिखो.
Done, sir.
Chalo. All of you done?
1 second, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. So now, this is the last part of today's session. We are making a trigonometric table. The value you are already aware of. So the standard angles of first quadrant you are aware of. Now I'll give you the values for reference angles also. Okay, in this trigonometric table, and that is what you need to. I'll show you. I'll teach you the technique also how to memorize it, and that is the first lap of your trigonometry will come to a halt today. So it's a table, you can draw it with me. It's a 9 cross 7 table, 9 columns and 7 rows. So you can draw it with me. This column is for functions. This is for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. So these are the standard angles of first quadrant, and these are the reference angles. Please pay attention now. Don't write it. Just pay attention. I'll give you the time to make notes. Okay. So I'm filling only the first 2 rows is what you need to remember. So I'm just putting in the data for sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. Now pay attention, huh? Sine of 0 degrees. How will a 0 angle triangle will look like? इधर आओ, देखो दिखाता हूं मैं तुम्हें. Just pay attention. So this is a right angle triangle. Yes or no? This is a right angle triangle. All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, ये कौन है? So this is a right angle triangle. And let's say this angle is theta. Okay. This is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. Sorry, not hypotenuse. Sorry, my bad. Base and this is hypotenuse, right? Now, what if this theta becomes 0? This side will merge with base. Yes or no? Hypotenuse will merge with base. Yes or no? If theta becomes 0.
Yes, sir.
What will be value of perpendicular then? If theta becomes 0, what will be value of perpendicular? Will it be 0 or not?
Yes, sir. 0.
There is no perpendicular. Yes or no? When theta becomes 0, there is no perpendicular. Yes or no? In the triangle. All of you understood or not what I am trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And Pratyush,
Yes, sir.
Shabash. So, sine of 0 will be what? Sine theta is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, right? When perpendicular becomes 0, what will be value of sine theta then? Sine 0 then? Sine 0 degrees, it
0.
will be 0 upon h. So this is 0, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that is how we get the value of sine 0 is 0. समझ आया बेटा? ऐसे हम बनाते हैं इसको, ठीक है? So sine 30, you all already found out it as 1 by 2 by this standard triangles. सीखा था ना अभी? ये सीखा था ना? So sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2. We have already found it. Sine 90 will be 1, sine 180 0 again, sine 270 minus 1, sine 360 0. ये बाद में explain कर दूंगा कभी. Just fill in the table only, right? First you have to memorize these two rows, then we can understand it. Cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 over root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 90 0, cos 180 minus 1, cos 270 0, cos 360 1. Just memorize these three rows. That's it. Rest are ratios or inverse of these values only. है कि नहीं? Tan theta is ratio of sine upon cos. Cosec is 1 upon sine. Sec is 1 upon cos. Cot is 1 upon tan. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Great. So tan is sine upon cos. So 0 upon 1 is 0. 1 upon 2 upon 1 upon root 3 is 1 upon root 3. This is 1. This is root 3. This is not defined. In a ratio, when denominator is 0, it is not defined. Tapasya, pata hai ki nahi beta ye? 0 upon minus 1 is 0. Lohita, you understand or not? 1 upon 0 in a ratio when denominator is 0, it's not defined.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Pratyush, what about you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, minus 1 upon 0, again it is not defined. 0 upon 1 is 0. Now about cosec. Cosec is 1 upon sine. Cosec is 1 upon sine. So this is not defined. So this is 2. This is root 2. Sine को उल्टा करना है बस. 2 upon root 3. ठीक है? This is 1. This is not defined. This is minus 1. This is not defined. Sec is 1 upon cos. So this is 1. So this is 2 over root 3. This is root 2. This is 2. This is not defined. This is minus 1. This is not defined. This is 1. Right? Cot is 1 upon tan. This is not defined. This is root 3. This is 1. This is 1 upon root 3. This is 0. This is not defined. This is 0. This is not defined. I hope all of you are clear in this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is the trigonometric table which I want all of you to memorize, and it will make your life super duper easy or smooth while learning trigonometry. You have done most of it, so you will be able to memorize it also nicely. अगर डेटा में कोई रेशियो में तुमको गड़बड़ लग रही है या तुमको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो प्लीज आस्क. ओके? चलो, प्लीज मेक नोट्स.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, after 0 degrees, why are we going to 30 degrees, then again going 15 degrees, 15 degrees? Why are we not starting with 15 degrees, sir?
See, 15 degrees can be written as 45 minus 30 degrees. And in trigonometry, it's a formula, a specific formula of sine A minus B. Right? So we can
Yes.
find it, I can find 15 degrees if we know 45 and 30.
Okay, sir.
And its value is a little bit complicated value. So it's some √3 plus -1/2 ऐसा कुछ होता है, तो उतना आप सब क्यों याद करना है ना?
हाँ sir.
So we are trying to remember those values only which are easier to remember, easier to recall.
Okay sir.
अभी तो this is, see what happens is ना, this kid asked ना, तपस्या ने पूछा ना कि why we are learning maths, how is this related to physics? So everything starts with maths, but the challenge with maths is most of the maths cannot be applied to physics, and the challenge with physics is without a basic knowledge of mathematics you will not be able to understand physics.
Yes sir.
Understood?
Yes.
That's the challenge. So write it. Make noted, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What about you, Pratyush?
Sir, making the note.
Okay, करो जल्दी करो.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now the last thing, it's a very special value, so all of you will remember it very quick. You can memorize it very quickly. This is the smallest Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet का मतलब क्या हुआ? The sides of the triangle which follows Pythagoras theorem, right? So 3, this is 3. I'll make it with appropriate dimension. So this is 3, 4 and 5. याद रहेगा ये 3, 4, 5 सबको?
Yes sir.
Now you can apply 3 square plus 4 square. Perpendicular square plus base square is equal to, how much is it?
5.
9
Sir, 9
plus
plus
16,
16 equal to 25.
25. So this is 5 square. Understood? Tapasya, a square plus b square is c square, or p square plus base square is h square. Understood, Tapasya?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is a unique number. Pay attention, pay attention. The angle between, now we have to find these angles. The angle between 5 and 3 is 53 degrees. The angle between 5 and 3 is 53 degrees. This is 90. So you can easily find this one, 37 degrees. Sides of the sum of all the angles is 180 degrees. So this is 37. So just remember the angle between 5 and 3 is 53 degrees.
Okay sir.
So remember this smallest Pythagorean triplet. So now you know two more angles, sine and cos of two more angles. Sine 53 degrees. It's perpendicular 4/5. Sine 37 degrees is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So it's 3/5. Yes or no?
Yes
Cos
sir.
37. 4/5. Yes or no? Cos 53. 3/5. लिख लेंगे ना? तो आया बेटा समझ में कि नहीं आया सब? Please write it and we are done for the day. And I'll take a quick feedback and you are good to go.
Done, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Lohita, Pratyush,
Done sir.
great. So a quick feedback, beta. Pratyush, starting from you. You were aware about the session?
Sir, I just like heard 2 days before that there will be a session.
Okay. So you were aware about trigonometry. What is your feedback about the session on a scale of 1 to 5, if you want to rate it?
Sir, 5.
5. So you understood whatever was taught today?
Yes, sir.
All questions you are able to solve?
Yes, sir.
You are struggling with those questions?
No, sir, I was not struggling.
You're not struggling? Good. Thank you so much, Pratyush. What about you, Tapasya?
Yes, sir.
How was the session for you? You understood whatever was taught
Yes, sir.
and you were able to solve the questions?
Yes, sir.
Did you struggle in it?
A few times here and there, but not that much.
You got your queries answered or not?
Yes.
Yes? You understood why maths is required before we start
Yes.
physics? Huh? Sure?
Yes.
And you are convinced with that?
Yes.
Great. Great. Lohita. Yes.
Sir.
So how was the session for you, beta?
Actually, I didn't hear about that trigonometry, but when you taught it, it was actually easy, sir.
It was easy for you. You were able to solve the questions. You didn't struggle in it.
I was able to solve the questions.
Okay. So whatever we have learned today, you are 100% confident in memorizing it, and in the way we have done it. Every slide after every slide, we were doing some problems based on that particular slide. So, and all three of you were able to understand it nicely, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Great, 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 great. So kids, it was fun teaching all of you, right? I really enjoyed teaching you. So thank you so much for taking out your precious time and being here for almost 90 minutes now. Okay. Probably this might be your longest online class till date, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Anna? But since you are still here and you're not showing a sign of fatigue, so I think you are enjoying it. I'm assuming that you enjoyed it, right?
Yes.
So not all my sessions will be 90 minutes long. We usually do 1 hour session only. So thank you so much for coming here, for attending the session. I hope I have added some value to it, to your knowledge base. And I wish you all the best for whatever future endeavors you take. So God bless you. Thank you so much again, and have a great night. Looking forward to see you on the other side, right? Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye,
Thank you.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.